You know how? I think that's actually glue. You know, y'all, listen, y'all know y'all makeup mirrors and makeup stuff be OC. Yeah, because it's black. Look at it, shit. Don't even paint. Y'all judging me? We judging? Okay, good. Ooh, this is me. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Simply K. K.Simone, and I am back with another video for y'all. As you can see, your girl is just a tad bit beat. Just a little bit, not a lot of bits, because you know I'm still learning this makeup thing. But we're not eating today. We're not doing the reaction videos, not yet. But I wanted to do a review on something I picked up from the Five Below. So it is Lash False Lash Collection from the Color Workshop. So yes, I already have them out like that. Ding. And they are only $5. It's a 12-piece set, and everybody knows, like, the Color Workshop, they have a lot of kits, especially around the holidays. But it comes with a variety of different types of lashes and a clear and a black glue. So I didn't want to use my normal glue that I usually use. I'll put it in the description below, because y'all know that glue holds everything when it comes to lashes. So I actually want to try the one that's a little bit dramatic today, because I usually just go natural, but we feeling a little feisty. It's the holidays. And y'all, I'm gonna use a black glue. Like I said, they have a clear in here also, and they have a black. I'm good for black because, y'all, like I said, I have no clue what I'm doing sometimes when it comes to makeup. I'm still learning. Excuse me. So what I tend to do is, like, I've already put on my eyeliner. I've already put on some mascara, conditioner, and some mascara. So only reason why I say I use black, because I suck at hitting it sometimes, like hitting exactly where it's supposed to go. So y'all don't come for me in the comments, because like I said, I'm not a makeup person. I'm still learning, like most of y'all, which is probably why you're watching this video. So yeah, so this is, you want to make sure that you have the right lash on, of course. So the inside crease should be the smallest, and then outside should be the widest. And if you see it, the band is actually pretty, it's not too bad. Like I said, it's pretty much you paying $1 for them, because there's 5 in a pack of, it's a 5 pair and they're $5. So if you want to, you can trim the edges off. Like I said, it has a little bit of that thicker kind of adhesive on it. Just pull that off. And then what I like to do is I like to kind of give them a little massage, just bend them a little bit. And then get your tweezers, if you have some tweezers. Some people don't need tweezers. Some people use their fingers. Some people are just that good. Shook. I'm not that good. So this one actually comes with, I like it with a little brush, which is cool because when you got the squeeze ones, sometimes you can't, you apply too much and it's just like you got glue all over your eyelid. So the fact that this one is a brush, I actually like. So make sure you want to get it on the tips too. I think, I don't know who I saw do that. Probably was Beat Face Honey. So you don't want to put too much, but you want to make sure you coat the entire band. And then from what I hear a lot of people say, which actually does work, is you want to make sure that you let it sit for at least 30 seconds. So I'm a fast forward. All right, y'all, we back. So now they say to do that only because you want it to be a little bit tacky when it hits your eye and not just like still wet, so it sticks better. So I'm pretty sure that that is the truth, because like I said, I've tried this a gazillion times. Between lashes and brows, they was my Achilles heel. So, hopefully, maybe, we will get this right while y'all watching me, because usually it takes me a while. So, that should be good and tacky. And we're gonna go ahead and put on, and try to put on the first one. Now, I like my lash to be a little bit more flare out toward the end, but some people put them toward the middle. So it's just actually aim. I don't have a great aim. So guys, bear with me and we will be back. Well, I'll probably do a voiceover. I don't know. We'll see. We just gonna go for it. If I do good, then no voiceover. If I do bad, we gonna do a voiceover. But to her. All right, y'all. I think I did good. No voiceover needed. All right, so just let that dry a little bit before you put on any mascara or anything like that. You know, just kind of let it dry. I think I did pretty good. This end part feel kind of weird, but I don't know if I went too far over or what. Ding. All right. So, first one, somewhat of a success. That's how it looks close up. All right, we're gonna attempt number 2, y'all. This is so exciting. So, if you want to, because I'm pretty sure it may be a holiday collection, but if you have time, go run to Five Below. Y'all can even pause this video at this point. Go get you something. Do it with me, child. Let's look good together. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, y'all. Y'all know I'm goofy. All right, so let's go ahead and apply it again. And guys, really, this is not a tutorial. This is more of a review. This is just me reviewing the lashes. So I apologize if I'm not doing or you can't see certain things, but I really just wanted to review. So let's let it dry, let it dry. And is anybody else at their relatives or their in-laws for the holidays? We just touched down for the holidays. It's 4 days away for Christmas Eve. So guys, again, we have that do it on the tip and do it also on that throughout the entire band. Give it about a few seconds to get a little tacky. The only time you want to be tacky, Suge, is with lashes. All right, so again, y'all, forgive my mirror. You know how I think that's actually glue. You know, y'all, listen, y'all know y'all makeup mirrors and makeup stuff be OC. Yeah, because it's black. Look at it, Suge. Don't even paint. Y'all judging me? We judging? Okay, good. All right, I usually don't do this side very well. So we gonna see. We gonna make it do what it do, y'all. And I don't think y'all can see me. Hold on. Can y'all see me this way? Oh. Oh, I might not have did that one good. Let's see. Can we recover? Can she recover? Can she get her own rebound? Uh-oh. I think she can. I think she can. I think she can. Okay, I'm just gonna push it in. It's set, but I just need to push it in. And again, y'all see, I got a little bit of a glue at the top. That is another reason why I love to use black, because you can, if you can't get it, it just kind of, it just kind of rolls into the eyeliner. And sometimes the white to me gets a little flaky looking. So that's why I like black. But to each his own. To each his own, y'all. I am like all up in y'all grill today. But I think that's actually set. I'm going to push it down just a little bit. Let that dry. I'm going to let it dry, y'all. Let it dry. So we got a few seconds. Like I said, I already put a little bit of eyeliner on, and I let that set at least a few hours before I did that. So, you know. So let's get a closer look. Ding! All right, y'all. So again, that is, I used the second to the last one, and that is by Lash Vaults. And it's probably the holiday collection. Like I said, for $5 whole, y'all, it's good. Especially if you know, if you like me, let's be honest, y'all. When it comes to lashes, child, they end up anywhere after a good night. So, you know what, if you know you just going, if you're not really a lash person when you wear them every single day, you just want something to be cute because you're going out on a date, or it's a holiday party, and you know you're not going to keep them on that long, shoes. You know. So what to do? So now, you know, if you want to finish, you know, your look, you can go ahead and add a little color. I love my Urban Decay lipstick is Vice palette. Let's use something festive. If it's a fail, don't y'all don't come for me, because it's some of these colors, y'all know it's some colors in here we don't even be using. We don't. And don't ask me where my lipstick applicator is at, because I ain't about to dig for it and make y'all wait. No, I am not. I don't know if I would necessarily go with that color, but we here, Suge. We here. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you like this video, give it a cool thumbs up. And if you didn't, give me and leave me some comments at the bottom in the comment section. Once again, I hope you guys have an amazing day and happy holidays. Share, share, share. Love y'all.